And the next thing is Ascariasis. Coming to this Ascariasis, this is infecting the intestinal tract. So causative organism is causative organism Ascaris lumbricoides. And we can reach up to 40 centimeters of length also. And mostly the infected individuals will be have with low worm count or asymptomatic. So usually low worm count. Asymptomatic. And coming to the symptoms, heavy infestation may cause internal bleeding. So internal bleeding will be there. Muscular pain, fever, anemia, blockage of intestinal passage, blockage of intestinal passage. So most of the complications are allergy, rashes, cough. So even they occurs in extraintestinal migration of this larva also. So the infection causes ingestion of eggs with food and water. So the transmission will be the eggs will be infected by the other person, and the hatching of the eggs and releasing of larva into the intestine. Subsequently, the blood vessels will pierce uh, by piercing through the wall of intestine. It will reach the blood vessels also. The circulating blood then take them to liver and finally to lungs. They undergo further development in alveoli and they migrate upward in the bronchial tree to glottis. Ultimately, they reach the intestine again when swallowed. So, coming to the transmission part. So, first thing is contaminated water. So from contaminated water to contaminated food and water which contain eggs of Ascaris. And eggs are hatched and after hatching eggs, larvae are released. And the larva pierces the wall of intestine yes, enters into blood vessels. So from where it will reach to liver, liver to lungs, undergo further development in alveoli, and migrate upwards in the bronchial tree to glottis. So ultimately, when swallowed, so glottis to again back to intestine. Thereafter, the contamination again intestine, and again the eggs will be released. This is also monogenetic host. Only man is the host. And entamoeba histolytica is also monogenetic host. Malaria is digenetic host. So coming to the prevention part, good sanitation, personal hygiene, so reduces the spread of infection actually. Food and drinking water should not be contaminated with eggs. So even properly washing of vegetables and spread to stop the spreading of diseases.